1, 2, 3.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're with Nicole, and if you're new here, I share lots of delicious home-style recipes as well as baking tips and tricks. Today though, we have a very, very special occasion, so I have a special guest. This is my husband, who's also one half of Le Bon Baker, so he is the man behind the camera and the person that you never get to see.
Hi guys.
So he is joining us today because we are doing a gender reveal for our twinnies. Yay! We obviously know the sex of the babies, so we found out at the 20-week morphology scan, which was super, super exciting, and we've just been waiting to tell you guys, but we thought the best way to do it would be in the form of cupcakes. Had to be baking related, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the whole video, well not the whole video, after this it's gonna go to black and white, so you can't really tell.
Yeah, we're going 1950s style for a little while.
Yeah, black and white, and you're not gonna get any color again until these are decorated. And so with the decoration colors as well, because there's obviously two babies, we're gonna go two colors the whole time. So if it's boy boy, there'll be two boy colors. If it's girl girl, there'll be two girl colors. And if it's a boy girl, there'll be one of each. So hopefully with the black and white and the shading, you won't be able to tell which is which.
Yeah, put your guesses in now, see if you can get it right. Won't take too long, but yeah, we're pretty excited to tell everyone, and we've actually only told family and friends at this stage. Not even friends, just family.
Yeah.
So
we need to start telling people.
Yeah.
Because everyone's like, what are you having?
You guys are friends and family too. So.
Exactly. So anyways, I'm going to start decorating. See you again soon.
Cue black and white screen.
Okay, so I'm just about to bring up my food coloring. If it's going to be a boy, I'm just going to be using traditional colors. So if it's boy boy, it will be blue and green. If it's girl girl, it will be pink and purple. And if it's a boy and a girl, it will be blue and pink. Look how beautiful my vanilla buttercream frosting is. It's so pretty. I almost don't want to put food coloring in it. Oh, so pretty. So this is also up on my channel, and I've got a recipe for it up on my website as well. So if you do ever need to make a really awesome, delicious, easy to use frosting, this is my vanilla buttercream. One color mix done, on to the next one, and oh, sorry, gotta pull my pants up. Gonna get my piping bags ready. Okay, I'm ready to go, ready to start piping. I've got my colors here. Get your bets in. What's it gonna be? Is it boy boy, girl girl, or boy girl? So excited to share this with you. Let's get piping. Done. They look so pretty. Okay, these little cupcakes are so beautiful. They are all done, so it's time to do the big reveal. Husband, I need you. Come in. I don't know if I told you before, but my husband's name's Shannon.
I have a name, not this camera guy.
Or husband. Okay.
You ready?
So, yeah, on the count of 3, it'll change to color.
1, 2, 3.
Yay! Yay!
Yeah.
We get one of each. We're so happy.
Little boy and little girl. And yeah, it's a pretty funny story about how we found out about the genders and what we were expecting, because at the 12-week scan, you're 22 weeks pregnant now, we were told 90% a boy and second twin 70% a boy. So we were pretty like, whoa,
Yeah,
maybe not what we're expecting.
No, because I always thought it was going to be a boy and a girl, because really early on, I felt like I was having a boy, and then I said to Shan, I think it's definitely like a boy, and then like a week later, I was really confused because I was like, oh, now I think I'm having a girl, and this was before we knew that we were having twins.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was just really confusing.
I don't think you were even convinced when the sonographer told us that it was two boys. I think you were like, yeah, I'm not really sure about it. And then so we went for the 20-week scan.
Yeah.
And she quickly confirmed that one was a boy, which is that 90% one. She just had a better view of that baby. And then the other one was lower down and we couldn't see for a while, so she spent a bunch of time taking the photos and measurements that she needed. She came back to it, she's like, yeah, so guys, they're not going to be identical. And I was just like, oh my God, is it a girl?
And I just started crying because I knew.
Nicole just burst into tears.
Yeah.
It was pretty cool. Yeah. So yeah, we're very lucky, very grateful.
Yeah.
And looking forward to having one of each. So are we going to eat one?
Yep,
right,
definitely.
Do you want a boy or a girl?
Boy, you go girl.
All right, I'll eat the little girl's cupcake.
Cheers.
Cheers. I don't like these little pearls, they're too hard.
You're gonna like the rest of it though.
Yeah, you're not wrong.
That's good.
Wow. Oh God. Yesterday we had Oreo cheesecakes and now we're having cupcakes for breakfast.
Sorry. Thank you guys so much for joining us for our gender reveal and seeing these gorgeous little cupcakes come to life with colour. So yeah, we're really excited and happy to share this really awesome time of our lives with you. So if you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell because I have a new video coming out every single week. Thanks again and we'll see you again next week. Bye.